What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Daniel for hooking me up with this awesome Mitsubishi Eclipse from the Fast and Furious series. I was missing this car from the set, so Daniel, thank you very much for hooking me up with this car, bro. I really appreciate it. I do have the first release, which is this one right here, but check out the wheels. The wheels are not that great, to be honest. So there's a big difference between the wheels. So Daniel, thank you very much for hooking me up with this car, man. I really appreciate it. All right, so I picked up this nice 1956 Ford F100 truck with the Moon Eyes decals. This comes in the very nice Spectra Flame Gold. Really cool. It's got a black top. It's got the nice white walls. Pretty cool. Check that out, guys. Nice detail. Very cool. And let's check out the front. Very nice casting. As I've shared with you guys before, I'm a huge fan of the Moon Eyes brand, so I had to have this in my collection. I also picked up a couple of these. I like to keep one carded, one open. So very cool Volkswagen T1 panel bus with a Connie decal. It's pretty cool. I really dig metallic silver on white with a Coney theme here. Pretty cool. So check out the details on the front. Check out that VW emblem right there. Check out the turn signals, headlight detail. Very cool. Check out the back. It's got some cool detail as well. Really digging the wheels, metal base. It's got some slick tires. Very nice casting. And last but not least, guys, I was not expecting to find this right here, the Nissan Diorama set. I went to a Walmart and I left my phone in the car. You know, I was not expecting to find anything because this particular Walmart I go to, they rarely have anything good. So I'm glad that I got there at the right time and picked up this guy right here. So let's check it out, guys. So it comes with these three Nissan Skylines: the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32, the 33, and the 34. And it also comes with this retro rig right there. So very cool. As you can see, the packaging is in very good condition. Very nice. So I got super lucky on finding this one right here. Very cool. All right guys, so this is all I have for you today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate that very much. You guys have a blessed rest of your week. God bless. Happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Deuces.